What? Yes. Okay. Okay, great job. Okay, Aisha, please study more
Bye.
about the 5 letters that we learned today, okay? You promise teacher so that
Okay.
yes, so that you will be more familiar with those letters and sounds. Okay, hope to see you again, Aisha.
Wait.
Yes.
I do
Yeah.
a heart. I do a heart. No.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Yes, teacher will draw a heart too. Thank you, Aisha. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, see you again in my class. Okay.
Why?
Bye bye, Aisha.
What's your
Pretty.
name?
My name is teacher Denez. Denez.
Teacher Dana.
Yes. Okay. Bye bye, Aisha. See you again in my class. Bye.
Bye bye.
Have a great day.
Mm.
Okay. Bye bye.
I love you.
Love you more. Teacher loves Aisha. Okay. Bye bye, Aisha.
Me too. Love you.
eh, Nimo, di ka maminaw.